I ta kombacha.
This is our African salad prepared. So come and join us. Don't worry, next time we'll show you. I go show you guys to prepare. We'll show you how we prepared it. How it's been prepared. Very sweet, okay? So this is the fish we bought in the market. Oh my god. That's smoked fish we bought in the market. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. You joined the Linafia. You joined us while we are buying these things. The garden egg. This one is garden egg.
Ayara.
Angara. You can eat it with abacha. This thing here is abacha. African salad. Nke a bụ akwụkwọ angara. Vegetable you can eat with it. You get?
Ukpaka.
Okay, ukpaka. We should go there. Close them ukpaka. This is ukpaka. Now from Kegina. Oil bean. Kendi wa abacha.
Ndị ezi ọkwa imeji
ọwa.
Ndị imeji ọwa bụ ewenye. Ihe nwata ka bụ nni anyị.
You are speaking your dialect now. Let's speak our dialect for you guys because we are both from Imezi Owa. Ezeago. And now we get this African salad, okay?
Now we. After we.
After we. It's very sweet though. Very, very sweet. And enjoyable. What happened? Hi. Welcome to my table. I'm Nata Abacha. We are eating African salad with smoked fish, garden egg, then garden egg leaf. That is why it's called akwụkwọ angara, because this one itself is angara. Do you guess? And this one is akwụkwọ angara, garden egg leaf. Very nutritious. And then we have oil bean, ukpaka. Oil bean, to show them oil bean.
Yes, oil bean,
ukpaka. I've actually thought, I can't get the name.
But me too.
I've actually thought how to, or what all these things are called in Igbo. Do you get? I've thought what they are called in Igbo. So if you've not watched that particular video, go and watch it. Hi.
Ken, I said hi.
Hi, Ken. Come and join me. Come and eat abacha. Hey guys. You know this is not wow.
I know.
But I hope she be alien. Our people will tell you bia re nni. It's actually nni for our side, but it's pronounced nri as well. So when I tell you bia re nri, I'm telling you to come and eat. Come and eat abacha. Prepare the abacha. You joined my live when I was buying the abacha.
Hello.
Hi Ada. Ada, what's up? What's up? What part of Igbo are you from? Hi Ada. Yeah, mama. Ada, again. Ada, hi. Okay, Can I lead?
Sorry. It tastes nice. And that's it. It tastes nice.
Madam, my abatava, very nice. On the top. On the top. You're not talking the air. Hi. You're not talking machine. I'm not talking machine.
It's not I'm on a brain. No, mommy.
You can't only have one look.
That's I have no speak.
And then what part of Igbo are you from?
Am I doing? 7.
This is garden egg leaf. Do you get? We prepared it just now. Don't worry, next time I'll show you how to prepare it. And they say I go abata. All these things are very nice. I'm telling you. Very nutritious, very healthy. And this garden egg and garden egg leaf, it gives blood very, very well. Very, very well. When you come to our place, when you come to Igbo land, we welcome you with kola nut, oji. And this angara is also part of the kola nut. It's also part of the kola nut. Do you get? If we do not give you oji, if we do not give you oji could be anything eatable, like this garden egg, right? It could be kola nuts. We have kola nuts. I've taught something about kola nuts. What kola nuts symbolizes in Igbo. You get? So if we do not give you oji, that means you are not welcome. That means you are not welcomed. Right, tonight I just forgot the mind. Do you get? But if we give you kola nuts, okay, no. If we give you kola nuts, either angara or that oji Igbo, right? That means you are highly, highly welcome. You are highly, highly welcome. That means you like we accept you. Do you get? But if we do not give you any of this, then jejely, wildly, kindly
pack your things, they go.
Pack your things and leave. Because that's one of the things Igbo people do. To welcome our visitors, we give you kola nuts or we give you garden egg. Do better. But I'm using garden egg to eat my abacha. And our people are in a jack at time.
Yeah,
we use them to eat it.
I believe a million daughter.
What do you have? We be what's it called? White people. No, we be Igbo people. Typical Igbo people. And our people will use bare hand to eat our abacha. That's why you see me using my bare hand to eat it, and my sister as well. When you use your very sweet. This is smoked fish. You saw us buying it now. It's actually nice. It tastes nice. Once again.
Just like that. 4.
So it actually tastes nice, yeah. Do you get? So abacha is called African salad. On the video come off now. So, bịa rie nri. Nri eyego. Ngo. You're not top machine. So guys, Please share my videos, okay? Like my videos, comment, subscribe. Thank you for reminding me. Very important. Very, very important. You have to subscribe. This is our cook. Oh, she's the one that prepared it. I forgot to prepare.
Oh, much, yeah. Shade me, no more water.
No water, I just have a face. I want. And it tastes so good, trust me. It tastes very, very good. This is called angara, garden egg. See it, garden egg, because it looks like egg, but this one is the garden own. The other one was the hen own, but this one is the garden own. Do you get? So guys, do you want to eat? Do you want to taste? Type in the comment section if you want me to give you. I can teleport it for you or to you to eat.
Well, look, I can leave here.
Now you have to use your bare hand now. I cannot tie. Not tie or not buy. No, not now. Now I want to after I'm to you. Brother, you brother, brother. You're not telling me to eat you. Because I can get there. You're talking.
So I'm talking to nature about it.
I am. You're not telling me not a cobata. I mean, okay, that we did. I know. I know. I'm
going to teleport what?
Teleport my avatar. Hi. This thing I'm eating now. Do you want to eat? Let me teleport it for you. Or to you.
Oh yes, I think I love Gary.
You love Gary? You love Gary? You love to soak it, or you love to